Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Create an account and generate an API key in the dashboard. Copy the key to a secure password manager for daily use. Store the API key securely and rotate it every 90 days to limit exposure. Use HTTPS and set a 30-second timeout for all requests to avoid hanging calls. Restrict the key by origin or IP when possible for more security. Test the key with a low-rate curl request before integration to confirm access. Resize media to a max of 5 MB and 2048 by 2048 pixels before upload. Convert video to MP4H, 264 and audio to WAV at 16-bit when applicable. Include content type, language, and attribution fields in each upload for accurate indexing. Compress images to JPEG at 80% quality to save bandwidth. Send a post to /v1/biomedia with multi-part form data including file, metadata, and your API key header. Handle expect JSON success with ID, status, and URL for accepted uploads from the API. Poll status up to 15 seconds using the returned ID for processing updates. Implement retries with exponential backoff up to 5 attempts on transient errors like 429 or 503. Parse error messages and map codes to user-friendly text for the UI. Log metrics like latency, 4xx, and 5xx rates for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.